Pero syempre mula sa mga kabataan ngayon naman ay magtutungo tayo upang pag-usapan at bigyang pagpugay ang ating mga senior citizens. Dahil mula October 1 hanggang October 7 ay pinagdiriwang natin itong Elderly Filipino Week. Ito ay upang bigyan pansin ng mga kababayan natin ang kakayahan at syempre kagalingan ng mga senior citizens. Kaya naman maraming mga activities daw ang nakalatag. Kaya ngayong umaga mga boss, makakasama natin ang President ng Federation of Senior Citizens Association of the Philippines National Capital Region. Walang iba kundi si Honorable George Manal. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Jules.
And of course, we also have our guest all the way from Korea, the President of Jeonnam Council, Dr. Boki Lee. Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Okay, magandang umaga. That's nice. Okay, so sir, simulan natin. Elderly Filipino Week since October 1 hanggang 7.
Oo.
So ano po ba sir yung mga activities na nakahanda?
Ay, marami. Pero gusto kong malaman na this is the 18th year.
Okay.
Dahil si dating Pangulong FBR pinirmahan yung Presidential Proclamation 470,
Okay.
1996 pa. So we formally opened this last October 1 with a Walk for Life.
Okay.
Lumakad kami, mga 1,000 kami from all over Metro Manila.
Alright.
At nagpunta kami sa Mall of Asia.
Okay.
And then we had a short program. May mga contest, singing contest.
Yes.
We awarded prizes and trophies.
Sir, Fest Cup, ano ba yung pinaka-mandate nito?
Ang FESCAP, parang kaagapay kami ng pamahalaan.
Okay.
You must remember, during our younger days, we contributed to nation building.
Okay.
Kaya nga, itong Elderly Week is to give recognition and honor to young ones, ONCE. Kasi nung araw kami nakatulong sa pamahalaan.
Aba.
Kagaya si Mayor Bistek, saan ba
Yes.
galing yan? Kay Tata Boots.
Aha.
Tsaka kay Ma'am Baby. Si Joy galing kay Speaker. Tsaka kay Betigo. Si President Noynoy kay
Cory, Ninoy.
Cory, tsaka kay Ninoy. Si Bolet naman, siyempre galing
From
sa
you.
nanay niya.
Okay.
So, ganun.
So, yun nga, maganda na na-establish po natin sa mga boss natin na syempre kung ano yung meron tayo ngayon,
Yeah.
nagaling din sila, of course, from the senior citizens that we have now.
Oo. Kaya kahapon nagkaroon ng Population Commission
Okay.
with the assistance of DSWD, yung responsible parenthood. Para sa ganun maimulat sa mga magulang na they should be responsible and dapat, isa nga doon, dapat mag-anak sila na nung kaya nilang suportahan. Para sa ganun, makapag-aral ang mga anak nila at lumaking mabuting mamamayan. At nakakatuwa, sapagkat yung buwan ng Oktubre, Scouting Month.
Okay.
At nakakatuwa sapagkat ngayong Oktubre, 75th year ng Quezon City Diamond. So magkakaroon tayong gawad parangal sa Araneta Coliseum, October 12. So 3 events
So, lahat ng
sabay-sabay.
scouts na sa Coliseum lahat.
Oo.
Okay, so of course, we have our guest here all the way from Korea as Dr. Boki Lee.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's also a scout.
Yes,
Okay.
and he is also a senior citizen.
Sir, you're a senior citizen, so how old are you? How young are you?
How
Should I
young?
say? How young are you?
Okay. 30 years ago,
Okay.
33 years old.
Oh, that's nice. That's the
That's a good
that's the
way of
perfect
putting
way,
it.
no,
Yeah,
to answer someone's asking your age. Okay, so you're here in the Philippines for the scouting event here.
We are sister Boy Scout. We have exchanged visit. We have been to Korea 3 times and they come to the Philippines with a contingent. There are 9.
Okay, so there's an ongoing camp out in Quezon City Memorial Circle.
That's right.
So do we have other Korean friends also participating in that
Yes.
event?
Yes. Yeah, first 1993 at the time, so Asian Jamborees at Makiling Maria Mountain.
Yes.
At times first I delegated, and this time is 75th Diamond Jubilee Scout Jamborees. Our Scout members is delegated.
All right. So far, sir, how's your stay here in the Philippines?
Philippines.
Are you happy here?
Yeah, very nice country.
Okay.
And so always kindness, smile, it's very good. Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
He is one of the few Koreans who speak fluent English because he took up courses in English, Japanese, and Chinese.
Wow, very fluent.
That's
nice. Okay, so sir, Elderly Week and Boy Scouts din. Kasabay din ngayon may
and
mga
then
activities.
Jubilee pa.
Oh, yeah, kasi 75th. So, mabalik po tayo dun sa Elderly Week, sir. Kanina may na-interview tayo from PhilHealth. Na-interview po sila na malapit na maipasa itong Senate bill.
Pumasa na sa Senado.
Sa Senado, sa House na lang,
sa
tapos
lower.
BICAM.
Oo. Mandatory coverage. malaking tulong yan.
So,
Kasi,
gaano niyo po tinatanggap tong tagumpay na to?
we're very happy. As a matter of fact, pinalakpakan namin ang Senado because approved na yan in principle. We
Okay.
are sure that PhilHealth and the national government will have this effective siguro 2015.
So sir, sana no, lahat ng mga senior citizens makover talaga nito kasi
Yeah.
yun yung hangarin nila dun sa panukala.
Maganda rin because with the abolition of the PEDAP and
Yes.
with the sin taxes.
May kapupuntahan yung pera ngayon.
Correct.
Okay, so yan, tagumpay yan sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin kasi syempre yung mga buwis na binabayad natin, mapupunta rin sa mga
Correct.
senior citizens.
Tsaka si Secretary Denki Soliman, during our meeting, kasama sila Secretary Mar Rojas,
Yes.
sila Secretary Lasierda, in-announce niya na yung monthly social pension ay dodoblehin
Wow.
para sa mga poorest of the poor.
Okay.
At yung edad na dating 77, because of the anemic fund pa noon, ay ibababa to possibly 67 years old and possibly 60.
Alright, ayan. So good news yan sa lahat ng mga senior citizens natin. So hopefully sir, patuloy pa rin yung mga activities nyo para sa ating lahat. Okay, so thank you so much sir for your time.
At meron din kaming misa rito, October 12.
Okay, October 12, may mass din po. Okay sir.
Sponsored ng mga
Alright,
staff.
again sir, thank you so much for your time also.
Salamat po.
You're
Yun,
always
sir.
welcome here in the Philippines.
Mabuhay ang mga senior citizens.
Opa, mabuhay din po kayo.
Active and healthy aging. We will grow old gracefully.
Yes.
Okay, see you.
Okay, so muli nakasama natin ang presidente ng Federation of Senior Citizens Association of the Philippines National Capital Region, si Sir George Manal, and of course the president of Jeonnam Council, all the way from Korea, Dr. Bok Hee Lee.